What's the meaning of chain? Chain. Chain.
Chain. Chain. The term chain can refer to a variety of objects or concepts depending on the context. At its core, a chain is a series of connected links or elements that form a continuous, unbroken line. This can be a physical chain used for binding or securing objects, such as a bike chain, or a metaphorical chain representing a series of events that are linked together. The result of a chain can be a sense of restriction or limitation, as well as strength and stability in the connection between the links.